Okay, I need the answer. 6 times 10 is?
60.
Beautiful. 81 times 100. 8,100 is how we say it. Question 3. 5,000. Beautiful. Question 4. 6,300. Well done. And question 5.
20,000.
20,000. Quiet.
No, we're not talking about that.
You 7. Okay, so we've gone from the easiest multiplication, now we're going to do the hard ones. Alright, the next subheading. Next subheading is long multiplication. Okay, if our other methods don't work, so we can't split it, we can't do tens, it's not our times tables, then we need to use the algorithm. Who's seen the algorithm for long multiplication before? A few people? Yep. Sorry, you're on a different question, is it?
Can I go to the next page?
Yes.
Aren't you?
Quiet. So we're going to look at what happens if the numbers are too big to do by the methods we already had. So say I had 35 and I'm going to times it by 24. Now 35 times 24 is really big numbers. Alright, so we're not going to do it in our head, we're not going to use our times tables. Unfortunately it's not a power of 10. So we are going to use an algorithm to do it. This algorithm uses the idea of splitting. The way it does it is first of all you kind of ignore the 20 and we're just going to do 4 times. We start off with, what's wrong? Okay, that's okay. We'll get some sticky tape later. Take a seat. Ryan, no, that's not helpful. Okay, so we're going to start off with, we're going to ignore the 20 and we're going to do 4 times this. What is 4 times 5? 20. So I'm going to put, guys, the 0 down here, I'm going to carry the 2. Is everyone happy with that?
Yep.
Yes.
Just like we did for addition. Now I'm going to do 4 times 3. What's 4 times 3?
12.
12. But I've got an extra 2 there. What does that give me? 14. And I'm done, there's no more. So I'm writing that down. Chad, you need to write this down.
What?
I'm getting help from teaching me how to do it.
No, you're going to write this example down. Now the next one.
Or then just half that.
Very clever seeing that. This is a 2, but it's not a normal 2, it's in the tens position. What have we learned? You put a 0 because timesing by 10 means that it's got to have a 0. Is that right? Yes?
840.
Because this is 20, not 2. So I've got to put the 0 there to know that it's 20, not 2. I'm now going to do 2 times 5. What's 2 times 5?
That's 10.
10. So I put the 0 down here and I put the 1 up here. I've got to remember not to use that 2. It's a bit confusing.
That's 12.
2 times 3. What's 2 times 3?
5.
6. And 1 more? 7. Once I have them, just like when we split, we're now going to add them together. 0 plus 0, 0, 0. 4 plus 0, 7 plus 1, 8. So my answer is 840. Alright, let's do one more together before it's your turn. Let's do 63 times 38. Okay, 63 times 38. Let's start with 8 times 3. What's 8 times 3? Chad, doing it with me? Yep.
I know what.
24. Where does the 2 and the 4 go?
I know.
That's correct. Well done. Okay, so I've done the 8 times 3. I've put the 2 at the top, the 4 at the bottom. Now I'm going to do 6 times 8. What are 6 8s?
I've got the answer.
You're too fast for me. Just the 6 8s. 6 8s are 48. That's 7 8s. 6 8s are 48. Add the 2 extra, gives me 50. I'm done, so I write 50. This 3, this 3 is not an ordinary 3, it's a 30. So what am I going to do?
Put a 0 down before.
Put a 0 down. Chad, what's 3 times 3?
2.
3 times 3 is 9. What's 3 times 6? 18. Add them together. So you get 2,394. Alright, your turn to try 2.